guys, welcome again to another exciting moment on Cereal Gold, sponsored by Goldmine Aroma. You know, it's all about making your food exciting, you know. So what are we giving you today again? Welcome. If this is the first time of joining us, come on, welcome, relax, and learn a new thing. So we are going to make pepper soup today. Please guys, kindly visit my previous video to see how our fresh fish is being marinated, so that before we use it to cook it. And this is actually a catfish. I washed the life of the catfish. I turned the catfish from black to white. I just want the skin to be like that. It's your choice. Some people will want to peel the skin off, some people will like it dark like that, but me, I got home, I used, in that video, I used hot water to wash the skin off, so that I actually love this white color. That's what I want to get. So let me introduce you to all the ingredients now. And see, this is one of the simplest to make pepper soup. So I'm going to make fresh fish pepper soup in catfish. So and guys, I don't know, I just love shrimps, most especially they come in big. I love them. I have my shrimps here. I want it to go with the catfish. I want to balance it. Oh, this is my Goldmine Aroma Soup mix. This is my pepper soup mix. See, this pepper soup mix consists of ginger, all your herbs and spices mixed together, so that you can make pepper soup mix. This is pepper soup mix. You can get it readily available in Wazobia. Okay guys, this is my onion. These are my veggies. I just called the green bell and the red bell so that I can use it as a garnish. This is my grounded habanero crayfish. This is see, I have utazi here because I want that slight of a bitter taste, just a hint of it in my pepper soup. So guys, I'm going to get to through it. And this is my scent leaf, my fresh, no, not only scent leaf is there, guys. This is my scent leaf, and this is my mint leaf. I love this mint leaf. I just put a little in it, and that's just it. So I'm going to go ahead now, put it on fire, blend everything, and let us go through it. I really like it clear, so I mix it with water. I'm going to blend my onion, 8 ounces washed onion, and my washed habanero. Pour in the crayfish, my soup mix. I'm going to do 7.5 ml. Here's my fresh sleeve. Wash it before you. So guys, it's boiling. Let's drop in the sprinkle. Let's do the sprinkling. All right guys, the catfish pepper soup is ready. It's actually been accompanied with fresh shrimp too. So this is it. It's very nice. So I know, you know, you can actually, this can go with your white rice. It can go with yam, potato, or plantain. Depends on your choice. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Keep watching. Kindly press the notification button so that anytime I upload new video, you will be notified. So guys, thank you very much till I see you in another video.